A strange patient came to the hospital. He said his teeth hurt like hell. It seemed like something was burrowing inside, but after a careful examination, the doctor didn't find anything wrong. However, shortly after the patient left, the doctor found that in the sink where the patient had rinsed his mouth, there were many bugs in the shape of fans. These worms were densely packed and blocked the mouth of the water. It was so disgusting. However, the doctor just threw them into the garbage can. Suddenly thought of something. He quickly opened the patient's oral film. After he carefully examined, he saw a nematode on the end of a tooth. In such a bizarre case, the doctor had never heard of such a strange case. He rushed to the library to look for information, and he found the answer in a book. It turned out to be a parasite called nematode. It's usually found in small animals. How did the patient get infected? Just when he was puzzled, the clinic assistant suddenly called. It was the same patient again. When he arrived at the hospital, he found the patient lying on the bed and struggling. It seems that the nematodes in his body have started to attack. The doctor began emergency treatment. First, he gave the patient an anesthetic in his mouth, and then grabbed a scalpel. He cut through the nematode's hiding place. After more than 3 hours of surgery, he finally cleaned out all the nematodes from the patient's mouth. After seeing the worms, the patient was baffled. He couldn't figure out how the worms crawled into his body. Until the doctor told him where the worms came from, the patient suddenly realized. It turns out that the cause of all this, it was because he loved to kiss his dog too much. Dogs are cute, but their bodies contain a lot of parasites, so it is recommended not to have too much intimate behavior.